Hello everybody, Princess the Bear here.
Recently we went to Ohana's for dinner. It was a great meal. But ever since then we've been obsessing over those Noods.
Noodles, for those of you not in the know.
So today, we're gonna make some Noods.
So, let's dive in and we will see you soon.
Be sure to Ohana.
Your other girl.
First thing we're going to do is chop up some Bok Choy. So I'm going to take off the edges in a very clean way. As long as you have a good knife, you can do anything. Now I'm going to make some slivers.
Watch those fingers.
These are going to be some nice crunchies, I think.
Now, it's time for the cabbage. So, purple cabbage, or red cabbage, depending on how you want to describe it. I love cabbage. I put cabbage in everything, if I could. Except for boiled cabbage, because that is gross. Remember, the goal in cooking food is not to cut off your fingers, or burn them, or slice them, or anything else like that. Now, if you guys have any vegan recipes, even non-Disney, that you want us to try, if you comment and we like it well enough, we will we'll make that a video and put your comment in the video. Maybe shout you out, depending on how good it is. If I eat trash, I'm coming for you. There you have it. We got the sauce all together, and now it's gonna simmer for 30 minutes because that's not 30 minutes.
We have a nice thick sauce. Some teriyaki vibes. Yeah. It's looking mighty delicious.
It's pretty good too.
So all we have left now is to make the soba noodles, and then we can just throw it all together on the wok. Unfortunately, they're not fresh soba noodles, but we are putting soba noodles in our yakisoba, Polynesian yakisoba. Yes! Woo! Ooh, snap. I'm not making a mess. Or am I?
Excuse me, I'm making a mess. Alright. So now, it's time for the princess's favorite part.
The cooking chopsticks. Actually, I'm a little ahead of myself. I gotta put oil first, and then we're gonna cook with chopsticks. Woo. Just a little bit of oil on the pan.
Yep.
Not trying to go too crazy here. Just want to get that oil nice and hot. Alright, so it's feeling a little warm now, so I'm going to throw the cabbage in first because it's a little more
dense.
It's easier to cook and leave in the wok longer. So it didn't start sizzling, which means I threw it in too soon. When you throw in an ingredient, you want it to be sizzling. Otherwise, you haven't left your pot, pan, whatever, on long enough to warm up.
Maybe sizzle.
Now it's starting to sizzle a little bit. I'm gonna throw in some Bok Choy. Looks really pretty. And now we've partially cooked the veggies. So at this point, we're going to add the noodles. The beauty of cooking chopsticks. Yes. Last but not least, we're gonna add the sauce.
It's about to get messy. Oh, gosh. Cover those nudes in a consensual manner. Now, we tend to like our nudes a bit saucy, but you can really sauce them as much as you like.
This is very saucy. You almost want to stir it like you would stir spaghetti. So you don't want to like actually stir it. You want to sift it, I guess. Sifting isn't the right word, but you definitely don't want to stir it. Here we are, friends. We have a lovely pot of Ohana yakisoba noodles.
Alright, so we have our finished project, our homemade Ohana yakisoba noodles. I'm excited for this.
Me too.
So, noodle dink.
Cheers. The sauce is good.
Very nice and thick.
It's a little too sweet, I feel. I feel like it needs a little more ginger. And the noodles could be a little thicker. But other than that, I think it's pretty close to the Ohana noodle.
Yeah. I would say we're more than halfway there. I would say like 2/3 of the way to the Ohana noodles.
I think it would have been better if we used like fresh ginger instead of the powdered ginger. I think that would have made a huge difference.
Cut the sugar from what the recipe recommended. 2 cups of brown sugar is a lot. And I feel like the sweetness kind of overpowers the other flavors that are in there, like the ginger and the pineapple.
I could see that. Well, because the sugar and pineapple was just extra sweet.
But, I mean, as far as like a home thing, it's just pretty good. Like, of course, we don't have like all the delicious sides they had, like the jackfruit, and broccoli, and the sausage, and the chicken wings for me. But
it works.
I would cook this as a home meal any day of the week.
I like my hack better. Life hack. If you don't want to make the teriyaki from scratch, if you do a soy ginger and a teriyaki sauce, you just put that with the udon noodles. It tastes pretty dang close. It takes less time, but
Yes. Making sauce from scratch, while fun, is extremely time consuming.
it is time consuming. I mean, if you're looking for a 30-minute meal, this is not it. But if you just mix the 2 sauces and boil the noodles, you can definitely do it in 15.
And you can always plan for it, make the sauce early and save it, and then
True.
do the noodles, and it wouldn't be so bad. So you don't have to do everything at once. You do it in parts.
In fact, if you make a teriyaki sauce ahead of time, it'd probably be better. So it can like sit and thicken for a little while. We don't put cornstarch in our food either. We use flour. So I don't really think that mattered in this case.
Yeah. But I would definitely give this 3.5 out of 5 claws. We will cook this again, most definitely.
Absolutely.
I can't stop eating it. But have you guys tried any Disney recipes at home? Let us know in the comments. If there's anything else you want to see us cook, like I said before, you know where to find us. Hit the notification bell if you want to see other videos like this, and we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
Chop it chop. Chop it chop. Chop it chop it chop. Chop it choppa. Choppa. Chop. Chop. I think this is a chop. Chop, chop, chop. Chop. Chop, chop, chop. I leave him alone for 5 minutes and he's over here making a mess.
Yep.
And I'm almost stepping in said mess.
Step.
We have new videos every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.